Adyasha. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do gone art, and it is known as a Indian folk art. If you haven't seen the fluffy slime video of mine, I will be giving the link down below in the description box. Please check out that, and uh, if you like the video, be sure to give a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it. Without further delay, let's get started. So this is my drawing I have drawn, and now I am going to color the face and the hands of Lord Ganesha red. Now I am going to color the sides of my picture in different colors, the clouds. I am using fabrical acrylic colors to paint the picture. Now I am going to paint the lotus in pink acrylic paint. I have painted all the base colors. Now I am going to detail it with the help of a black marker. I am just doing some semicircle for this pattern. Now I am taking some white acrylic paint and lining the cloud patterns that I have drawn. Now I'm going to take a thin brush and dipping its back side and doing some small dots in my pattern. Now I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and paint in the eyes, and with this thin round brush I'm going to outline all my drawing. Comment down below how you liked my drawing and suggestion of my new videos, and do subscribe to my channel.